right, so I wanted to try the Screencast-O-Matic that Dave was talking about, and I found something that I thought others might be able to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to just log into your Think Central account. Once you are there, you're going to want to go to your Journeys material, and then Teacher Resources, and Focus Walls. Once you're at the Focus Walls, you're going to go to Interactive Focus Wall and find the lesson that you're on. When you are on there, you are going to click Control and click your mouse. Then you're going to Save Image As, and you just want to save that as a JPEG to your desktop. All right, once it has been saved to your desktop, you will go to Seesaw, and you will hit the plus sign, post student work, upload, and you'll just drag and drop your focus wall right in there. Once you're there, you can actually record yourself, and you could highlight for students what their expectations of the week are. So we're working on ER words, we're going to cover adjectives and grammar, or whatever you want to do. Then you hit done, push it through, and all of your students will have their focus wall. Hopefully somebody can find this useful. I thought it was kind of cool. Bye.